Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can train your dog in Heartopia. I don't know if you can train cats here, but I have a dog. Where is he? Oh my god. Oh, he's on the roof. Of course he's on the roof. Of course. Let me just try to get up there. Let me spot my car. There. Oh, not close enough. Girl, why? Okay, he's a boy, but why are you on the roof? Okay, so to train your pet, just press train, select whichever one you want to, you want your dog to learn. I'll just do the give paw one because I've done like a little bit there. Start training. So when it looks like he's doing something right, press the check mark. If he looks like he's doing something wrong, press the not great. So that is not right. Okay, we're just doing this on the roof, I guess. So that looks like he's giving the paw, so press great on that. It doesn't seem very visible at first because your dog is still learning. Okay, see? Gives paw and then press great. Just wait a little bit for your pet to show that they're trying to do the trick. There we go. Press confirm. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!